Hai adik-adik, kembali lagi dengan Kak Rina di online class 101. Kali ini kita akan belajar bahasa Inggris untuk kelas 9 dari buku Kurikulum Merdeka English for Nusantara. Di chapter 3, Journey to Fantasy World, di unit 2, Back to the 90s. Di section 7, Your Turn Reading. Di halaman 180 sampai dengan 183.
Like dan share juga ya. Dan boleh juga di-subscribe channel Kak Rina yang lain untuk belajar bahasa Inggris di Learning Language Academy. Dan follow IG dan Facebooknya juga di @onlineclass101.id.
Gimana kabar kalian hari ini adik-adik? Semoga semuanya dalam keadaan sehat ya. Oke, read the end of the story and then answer the question. I am Professor Mahmud. Who are you? Why do you want to see me? Professor Mahmud, I'm Monita. I come from 2022. What? How did you get here? I came in a flying car. Let me show you. Monita took Professor Mahmud to the place where the car stopped. When Professor Mahmud saw the car, he was excited. This is the car that I created, but I have not finished it yet. What did you do to get it started? I pressed the red button, answered Monita. Oh, it's that simple. But now I need to go back to the year 2022. I need you to help me, Professor Mahmud. Let's go inside the car and find out how to get you back to 2022. Ya, kemudian Monita and Professor Mahmud got into the car. They observed the buttons on the dashboard panel. Then, both of them saw a tiny pink button next to the red button with a mark 2022. Together, they pressed that button and zap, the car flew again. Nah, sekarang kita jawab pertanyaannya. Nomor 1, how did Monita feel after she met Professor Mahmud, ya. Yang di sini jawabannya adalah she felt happy. Kalian bisa lihat di sebelah kanan sini ya. Nah, ini adalah jawabannya. Kemudian berikutnya number 2. Where did Monita go after she met Professor Mahmud? Nah, she went to the warehouse. Ya, warehouse. Ya, atau boleh juga she went to the place where the car was parked. Ya, jadi dia pergi ke tempat di mana mobilnya diparkir. What do you think of Professor Mahmud's character? Nah, di sini tuh berarti kita bisa jawab apapun ya menurut kalian. Tapi kalau dari ceritanya he is kind, karena dia mau membantu Monita ya. Number 4, in your opinion, where did the car bring Monita and Professor Mahmud? Nah, karena dia jadi di sini karena dia memencet tombol pink yang ada tulisan 2022, berarti back to 2022. Ya. And then sekarang what might happen, number 5. What might happen if Monita did not meet Professor Mahmud? Ya, berarti she would not know how to get back to 2022. Ya. Kemudian sekarang berikutnya. Find the question in indirect speeches in the last part of the story. Then change them into indirect speech. The last part of the story. Mana ya? The last part the last part. Mana ini? Oh, ini. bagian akhir yang mana ya? Find the question in direct speeches. Oh, yang kalimat question aja ya. Berarti kita lihat yang ini. Yang pertanyaan itu ada ini. Why do you want to see me? Ya, menjadi indirect speech. Nah, di sini bisa kita gunakan Professor Mahmud asked, ya, who Monita was. Terus Professor Mahmud asked why Monita wanted to see him. Ya, terus ada lagi enggak? Ini ya. Ini what did you do, yang ini Professor Mahmud asked what did Monita do to start the engine? How do you to get it started? To start the car, ya. Oke. Kemudian berikutnya, read the story in section 2, 3, 5, and 7. Fill the blanks in the diagram. Nah, di sini ada bagian time and setting. Time-nya adalah tahun 1992. Kemudian place-nya adalah sebenarnya ada dua ya. Ini dan 2022. Place-nya adalah Monita's room. Terus a warehouse. A university. Ini S ya. Characters-nya ada Monita, Profesor Mahmud, ada a man ya, walaupun sebentar. Terus ada juga security officer. Problemnya adalah Monita traveled to 1992. She did not know how to get back to 2022. Solutionnya adalah Monita looked for the inventor of the time machine. Ya. Writing possible prediction. Together they press the button. From the last sentence, can you write a prediction about what is going to happen next? You can use the picture below to as a clue. Oke. Nah, kayaknya gini, dia salah waktu ya. Mungkin kita bisa tuliskan gini. The time travel did not take them to 2022. At first they went to, ya, ada zaman dinosaurus ya, to the year when dinosaur still exists. Ya. They tried again. But went to the year before 1992 and also went to the year after 2022. Nah, sampai sini aja ya. Jadi, mungkin cerita terakhirnya mereka berhasil atau enggak itu masih tanda tanya ya. Oke, pembelajaran kita sudah selesai adik-adik. Semoga pembelajaran kita kali ini bisa bermanfaat.